Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start immediately by unplugging the charger and positioning the magnetic puck so you can see the cable joint. Use sharp wire strippers to remove 5-7 mm of the outer jacket. You need to expose the inner conductors without nicking them. Once exposed, identify red as positive and black as negative, and note any braided ground or shielding. Make sure your iron is hot, flux is ready, and heat shrink is cut to length. You will solder within minutes. You now twist the matching conductor strands tightly and apply a dab of rosin flux. This improves wetting. Tin each wire with a small bead of solder so they're easier to join. Once tinned, align positive to positive and negative to negative, then touch both wires with the iron just long enough to flow the solder. Quick, steady, and minimal heat. Immediately check continuity with a multimeter. Once confirmed, slide heat shrink into place so it covers the bare joint before shrinking. Once done, apply heat evenly to shrink the tubing and create a snug, insulating seal. Add a second layer for strain relief if the cable will flex. After cooling, plug the charger into power and your watch. Verify charging and measure voltage if you have a meter. Make sure there's no excessive heat or intermittent contact. If charging fails, recheck solder joints and continuity, confirm the magnetic puck pins align, and if necessary, replace the cable. Poor alignment or cold solder joints are the usual culprits.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.